Hello students. After learning about the computer networks in the previous class, today we are going to learn about IT-enabled services. IT-enabled services implies that when an organization is moving from the traditional methods to different services which employ IT, that is information technology. So let's start. IT-enabled services, that is ITES, also called web-enabled services or remote services or teleworking. So IT-enabled services is known by different names: web-enabled services, remote services or teleworking. It covers the entire amount of operations which exploit information technology for improving efficiency of an organization. So basically, IT services are used so that the efficiency of an organization can increase. They use more and more technologies in their organization so that they have to work less and they have a better output. The most important aspect is the value addition of IT-enabled services. Now, whenever an organization is using some IT-enabled services, then the organization will have some value additions in the organization. The organization is going to benefit from these services. The value addition could be in the form of customer relationship management, improved database, improved look and feel, etc. So when an organization is moving to IT-enabled services, they can do it in different forms. The first one can be customer relationship management. Now under this, they can set up call centers, they can have automated mails, or they can have small little chat box so that they can build a relationship with the customer. The second one is improved database. By improved database, we mean that they can add in certain columns in the database, or they can add up a complete table in the database, which will help user to get more knowledge. Improved look and feel. If an organization has a website, then they can change the look of the website, they can make it more user friendly, they can make it so that the people can connect to the website. So all these small little things can be done for adding more value to the organization. The outcome of IT-enabled service is in two forms. First one, direct improved service, and the second one is indirect benefits. If the organization is going for IT-enabled services, then it will surely get the benefits. Now these benefits can be in two forms: direct improved service. By direct improved service, we mean that they can see the result immediately. All the outcomes will be seen immediately. And indirect benefit means that the outcome might be seen a little late, maybe 6 months or in a year or so. So this is IT-enabled services. After this, we are going to learn about different IT-enabled centers. So the first one is call center. We all are aware what is a call center. Call center is a place which is set up by an organization, by a company, so that the customers can call in and they can get their doubts cleared. If the customer has any problems with accessing some features, or if they are in doubts, they can approach the call centers and they can get the result. The second one is ERP. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. These type of softwares will help the organization to work smoothly. Also, the process is going to be fast and the efficiency, the outcome, the end result is going to be perfect. Next one is medical transcription. Now in medical transcription, there is a person who is going to convert the dictated notes of the doctor and save it in the computers. This is done so that later on all the records of different patients are saved. Next, GIS mapping. GIS mapping means that we can get to know what are the different geographical features about the earth. So if we are traveling, we can know that what is the land like and what are the different aspects related to the geographical area. Next one is data centers. Data centers are centers where we can keep our data. Now these days we have very high amount of data. The normal small servers cannot store that much of data. For storing the data, various different data centers are set up so that the data can be safe and secure. Next one is electronic publishing. Now these days electronic publishing is very common. We can find ebooks, e-magazine, e-newspapers. So all the publishing which is happening is in electronic form, which is helping each and every person so because they can access the books in their smartphones. Knowledge management and archiving. This is the last IT enabled center which says knowledge management and archiving. Knowledge management is basically a process of creating, sharing, using and managing the knowledge and information of the organization. So this knowledge is used so that they can take few further steps. They can decide what all policies are beneficial for the organization, what all different things can be done, making sure that all the employees have access to overall expertise held within the organization. So all this is done so that the knowledge is managed properly and it's shared between the different people also. So these are the different centers. However, you just need to know the names of these centers and just the overview that what all of these stand for. Thank you.